Meaning of character. Character is a noun that has several meanings, such as 1. A person in a story, movie, or play. 2. Someone's personality, qualities, or moral values. 3. A symbol or letter in writing. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. Harry Potter is my favorite character. 2. She plays the lead character in the film. 3. He has a strong and honest character. 4. Your character is shaped by your actions. 5. The story has many interesting characters. 6. That symbol is a Chinese character. 7. He is a man of good character. 8. Each password must contain at least one special character. 9. Her character in the play is very funny. 10. Difficult situations reveal true character.